The chestnuts will absorb the coffee aroma as they cook. The food market has a wide variety of seafood.
Bananas are cut to form deep grooves and cooked in a heavy syrup to make candy bananas.
Thailand has 28 different varieties of bananas, making for quite a selection when going to the market. The most dangerous fruit is durian. It has a heavily spiked husk that can weigh up to 5 pounds. Many people have been killed when it falls from its tree and strikes them on the head. It has a sweet flavor but a strong odor, worse than Limburger cheese.
Barbecue and smoked meat are always a favorite.
The appetizer tatban is made from fresh fish mixed with string beans and chili paste. It is common in Thai restaurants.
This gentleman is making khao kriep pak mo, an appetizer, with his own unique style and speed. He is steaming a rice flour mixture to which he will add ground pork, peanut, onion, garlic, and spices. When it is done, he will pass to the boy who will brush it with garlic oil for flavor and to prevent sticking. Luk Chup dessert is made from the mung bean and is shaped and color to look like fruit, very similar to marzipan. Even this plain watermelon can be carved by skilled Thai people, like Phuong Thong Malikun, who demonstrates her skill at the Ties for Thai Association show in Washington, D.C.
Watch as this watermelon is transformed into a beautiful rose. The art of Thai food carving originated from the king's palace, whose chefs made decorative art out of native fruits and vegetables. Today, carving is taught in colleges and art schools throughout Thailand, but only a select few will become masters. Look at the detail of this work that will only last a short time. Here at Thailand's Executive Chefs Association, we saw many examples of the art of Thai fruit carving.